When your rideshare driver causes a car accident, who pays?
Hi there, folks. I'm Jim Adler, the Texas Hammer. Thanks for joining us for another video in our series of frequently asked questions. In this video, we will be discussing liability issues and rideshare services.
When you use a rideshare service in Texas, there may be some trepidation about who might be behind the wheel and what their driving history may look like. So, what happens if your rideshare driver causes an accident? Who pays for any injuries you may sustain? Texas has specific requirements for rideshare drivers. First, they must have a Texas driver's license. And second, they must carry more than the minimum amount of bodily injury liability coverage to be hired by a rideshare company. When the driver is en route to pick up a passenger or has a passenger in the vehicle, the liability limits required by most rideshare companies increases to $1 million for bodily injury and property damage total per accident. The rideshare company typically provides this coverage. In addition, rideshare companies provide uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage per accident, but only while the driver is either driving to pick up a rider or has a rider in their vehicle when the accident occurs. Texas minimum coverage is $30,000 of bodily injury liability coverage per person injured in an accident, $60,000 of bodily injury liability coverage per accident, $25,000 of liability coverage for property damage per accident. When a rideshare driver is using an app and waiting for someone to request a ride, they must have an increased level of coverage, which is $50,000 of bodily injury liability coverage per person injured in an accident, $100,000 of bodily injury liability coverage per accident, $25,000 of liability coverage for property damage per accident. In most instances, the driver will carry the higher level of coverage at all times. As you can imagine, this gets extremely complicated. And that is why you need an experienced personal injury lawyer who has handled countless rideshare cases to get you the maximum compensation and benefits you deserve.
If you have questions or would like to discuss your case, you can get in touch with Jim Adler and Associates through the contact form at jimadler.com or by giving us a call at 1-800-567-7575.